People buy from people. A product sitting on a white background tells you what it is. A presenter telling you why it matters. That's what actually converts. Talking video gives every product a face, without a single day of shooting.
From your dashboard, go to Product Videos and select Talking Video from the 3 options. You've got 2 ways to start. Either describe your image, upload your product photo, pick your AI model, set the aspect ratio, choose your avatar, and write a prompt describing how you want the visual to look. Hit Enhance with AI if you want help refining it, or skip straight to Choose Template. Browse the Add Template library and pick from a wide range of avatar styles with different backgrounds, outfits, and settings. Find one that fits your brand and go from there. Once everything looks right, hit Generate Image. It just uses 1 credit. Your presenter's visual is created in moments. Your generated image can go straight into a full talking video. To make your task easier, just enable this toggle, and we will add multi-scene to your UGC video, including product shots and avatar showcase. Or paste the script of your product. Give a prompt, and your avatar will hold your product accordingly. To change your avatar's voice, click the Edit button and select your preferred tone, and you will be redirected to the editor. Here you can adjust the video before rendering. Once done, hit the Render button. One thing to keep in mind, proper lip sync only shows after rendering. The preview is a layout only. The rendered version is the real, final output. A presenter, a product, a full talking video, no shoot needed. Try Tagshop AI now.